Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll see how to mount action camera on helmet. So this is the action camera I have got. This is a Campark 4K camera and I already got the case with this camera. I also got the helmet mounting connectors. So from helmet mounting connectors I have this J connector. These are the switch connections you can use along with this helmet base. So this is the helmet base. We got this helmet base along with sticker. We just have to remove the paper. You have to stick this helmet base on helmet, and we have got this connector as well. So you have to fix this connector on the helmet base like this. So this is very fixed. The connection is very good. Actually it will not remove while driving. To remove this we just have to press this 2 and we have to pull it back. So above this we have to fix this camera. So if you see here we have this structure and here we have structure. So we have to insert this camera into this base and we can fix the camera like this. Okay, we have got one screw as well. So we just have to fix the screw in this structure, and you can set the angle like this, and with the screw you can fix the angle. Yeah, this is the way we can fix the camera on our helmet. So this is a very minimal structure we have to do. So let's start. We'll mount the camera on our helmet. Okay, this is the front side, this is the back side, and I will mount the camera on top of the helmet. If you see, this side is having slope. If I mount here, then camera angle will not be correct. It will not be completely vertical. It is going downward side. So that's why I have decided to mount it on the top of the helmet. So yeah, I will mount the camera here, and so for that I will remove the structure first, because to fix the helmet base you have to push it very hard. So I will remove all the structure again, and we just have to we'll take the paper out and we'll fix the camera like this. We have to apply some force to stick this properly. I have already checked the angle. If I am taking this back side, my structure should not get disturbed. So okay, I will remove this paper now. Okay, so I will apply some force now here.
Okay.
Hold it for at least 30 seconds. Okay, looks like my helmet base is sticked properly. So I will check the glass. Okay, it's perfect. So now I will fix this part on the helmet. Okay, now I will put the camera in the switch connections, and I will fix the angle using the screw. So if you see, this is how I have fixed the camera. So let's hit the road now to check the performance, how it works. See you on the road.